And if your engine starts making unusual noises, that could be another sign. When the oil level is low, engine parts won't be properly lubricated. This can cause them to grind and wear out against each other, leading to knocking or rumbling noises. If you hear these sounds, it's a sign your engine might be in trouble. Also, watch out for oil smells inside your car. This could mean you have an oil leak. If you also smell exhaust fumes, it might mean your car is overheating. So don't wait. Take it to the mechanic as soon as possible.